Laszlo went shopping for black pepper. He found 30 options that vary in weight, in ounces, and price, in dollars. They are shown on this scatter plot, with weight on the horizontal axis and price on the vertical axis. In ounces, what is the weight of the pepper that offers the lowest price per ounce? The choices are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Price per ounce is the price divided by the weight. On the graph, that ratio is exactly the slope of the line drawn from the origin out to a point. A steeper line means a higher price per ounce, and a flatter line means a lower price per ounce. So we want the point that makes the flattest line from the origin. Let's draw lines to some of the options and compare how steep they are. The point far to the right that stays low will give the smallest slope. The flattest line reaches the low point at a weight of 3 ounces. Its price is small compared to its weight, so it has the lowest price per ounce. The weight is 3 ounces. So the pepper with the lowest price per ounce weighs 3 ounces. That is answer choice C.